Hey guys, this is the Max Invest YouTube channel here, and if you like any of the content, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Now let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about the smallest high conviction company I have, and that is the Tattooed Chef. I strongly believe that the Tattooed Chef can hit $60 in their stock price by 2024, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you why that is. Before we get into the video, always remember to do your own research and remember none of this is financial advice. The Tattooed Chef is a leading plant-based food company that produces foods such as zucchini spirals, riced cauliflower, acai and smoothie bowls, and cauliflower pizza crusts. The Tattooed Chef began in 2003 as a Teller International Corporation. This was a private labeling company, which meant other companies would basically take their products and put their labels over it. However, in 2017, the Tattooed Chef rebranded and restructured and is now a private brand, so their products have the Tattooed Chef on them like they do today. The Tattooed Chef has a $1.7 billion market cap. So it's not really that big of a company and remains second to companies like Beyond Meat in the industry. However, this does mean there is more potential upside if everything goes well for the Tattooed Chef. It is also an e-commerce business. This means consumers can directly buy the Tattooed Chef's products from their website, and this basically means the Tattooed Chef will get better margins and more profits. The Tattooed Chef is in an emerging market, and that is the vegan food market, expected to grow from 10 billion to 15 billion by 2025. The Tattooed Chef is also in the frozen food category, which is expected to grow massively. Now, the good thing about these markets is many companies can be the winners of it, so we can expect Tattooed Chef, Beyond Meat, heaps of companies to be the winner. We don't need to pick the one winner because there won't only be one winner. Another fun fact I thought I'd share with you is this is the most innovative period for food since the 1940s and the 1950s, and it looks like Tattooed Chef is one of the most innovative companies in that period, in my opinion. Tattooed Chef also has significant opportunity for growth. The Tattooed Chef believes they will grow significantly faster than even the market grows, increasing revenue from 148 million in 2020, 300 million in 2022, and then 500 million in 2023. This will be brought about by Tattooed Chef going international and expanding into a whole range of areas. The Tattooed Chef are constantly innovating. They just released plant-based meat alternatives in December. This caused their share price to jump 7% as many people loved these plant-based meat alternatives and they got great reviews. The Tattooed Chef is currently in a range of big names, and this is only expanding. The Tattooed Chef is also in 50% of Walmart stores, and it's constantly growing and has great statistics for Walmart, with 15% of consumers purchasing in multiples and 60% of people being repeat shoppers. This shows Tattooed Chef has a great quality of product, and this is likely to mean it will be able to expand into more stores in the future. The Tattooed Chef are expecting massive growth, 220 million in 2021 in revenue, and I believe this is very likely to happen and potentially even conservative. And one big reason for that is Tattooed Chef have been so successful, they are now expanding into significantly more stores. They are going from 5 products to 11 products in Walmart, and they are moving into big names like Kroger and 7-Eleven. They are also increasing their points of distribution constantly. The Tattooed Chef are also constantly expanding their products. By 2021, they will have 62 products. This shows a high demand for Tattooed Chef's products and shows that the Tattooed Chef are constantly innovating and making new products. This is great. The Tattooed Chef, if something doesn't work, they can just kill off what doesn't work and keep what works. They're constantly innovating, constantly creating, and this looks great in the future for the company. We should also look more deeply into the financials of the Tattooed Chef. Now I'm not going to go too deep in, and if you want to look more into it, look at the quarter-free earnings for the Tattooed Chef. The Tattooed Chef earned $148 million in 2020, and as already stated, they're expecting to earn $220 million next year. The Tattooed Chef has had an increase in gross profit by 70% year over year, an increase in revenue by 80% year over year, and adjusted EBITDA is up 126% year over year. These are insane numbers, and if the Tattooed Chef can continue this, the Tattooed Chef will easily hit the $60 price target I've got for it in just a few years. The Tattooed Chef also have a superb balance sheet, and this is great because I don't want a company I'm going to invest in to have a chance of going bankrupt. I don't want that at all, and it looks like the Tattooed Chef is in no risk of this happening. They have $207 million in assets and $17 million in liabilities. The Tattooed Chef are totally fine and completely set. Now I will be looking at the Tattooed Chef's competitive advantages. This is one of Warren Buffett's methods for valuing a company, and I think it's very important to see how the company can do against the competition and see how they can get ahead of the competition. Now, the Tattooed Chef have become quite a big company with great success in the stores, as we have already seen, through having no advertising. This shows they have an insane referral rate and a high quality of product. However, in 2021, the Tattooed Chef are about to begin advertising. In fact, they've already begun with Sam's Club in January. Now, it's too early to judge success. However, I think this will be great for the company and help them expand and become a massive name like Beyond Meat. One great thing about the Tattooed Chef is they are vertically integrated. I love this in companies. It prevents short-term supply disruptions and ensures the Tattooed Chef have the quality of product that they're aiming for. As you can see, the Tattooed Chef basically do everything. They design, they plant, they grow, they manufacture, they innovate. This is great, and it will allow the Tattooed Chef to keep innovating at such a quick rate that they are. Now, another important thing is the management team. We need to know that our management team is trustworthy and doing well. One way we can tell that is how many shares do they have in the company. Do they back their own business and do they have faith? I can safely say Sam Gilletti and Sarah Gilletti have a significant amount of their net worth in the Tattooed Chef, meaning they have faith in the company and they're going all in. Sam has a significant amount of experience in the industry with 35 years of experience, and Sarah not so much. However, in interviews, Sam has said that Sarah is the innovator and Sarah is doing a lot of good work for the company. Now, we're going to get to where I think Tattooed Chef will be in a few years and what I think is a great price to pay now. So I think anywhere in the $20 range is a great price for the Tattooed Chef. And at the time of this video, the Tattooed Chef is roughly $23. I think this is a steal for the company, and I will probably look at topping up on the Tattooed Chef. Now, in Meet Kevin's video, he brought up a great good point that makes the company actually seem undervalued. The Tattooed Chef is 16 times a very good food company's revenue, yet twice the market cap. Beyond Meat has $624 million in projected revenue, while the Tattooed Chef has $220 million, yet Beyond Meat is 6.8 times the market cap. Tattooed Chef sells for 5.4 times projected revenue, while Beyond Meat sells for 14 times, and the Very Good Food Company sells for roughly 60 times. This makes me think that the Tattooed Chef is undervalued. I think once they kick up their marketing campaign, do a ton more stuff, they will be selling 6 to 9 times their projected revenue. This will be great for the company, and it should cause a spike in the share price. I don't think too many people know about the Tattooed Chef right now, but I think that's going to change very quickly, and the Tattooed Chef will have a dramatic increase in share price up to $60 by 2024. So that comes to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And if you disagree with anything or just want to talk, Send a message down in the comments, I'll reply to all of them, and thanks for watching.